Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about tools online, ChatGPT. What is it? How do you get it? Is it free? And what can you actually do with it? Let's get started. So first things first, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It's like having a super smart assistant that can help you write, brainstorm, explain things, or even just chat with you when you're bored. It's trained on a massive amount of data so it can answer questions, summarize information, and even help with coding, writing, and studying. Okay, so how do you get ChatGPT? Super easy. Just go to chat.openai.com, create a free account, and boom, you're in. You can use it directly from your browser, no download needed. There's also an app for iOS and Android if you prefer using it on your phone. Now you might be wondering, is it free? Yes. There's a free version of ChatGPT available to everyone. You get access to GPT 3.5, which is already pretty powerful and can handle most everyday tasks. But if you want the premium features, there's a paid version called ChatGPT Plus. It costs $20 per month, and it gives you access to GPT-4, which is even smarter, faster, and better at handling complex tasks. Totally optional, but worth it if you're using it a lot. So, what can you actually do with ChatGPT? A lot. You can write emails, scripts, essays, and social media posts, get help with schoolwork or research, brainstorm content or business ideas, translate languages, and write or debug code. You can even plan trips or meals, or just chat for advice or conversation. It's like having a writer, tutor, assistant, and life coach all rolled into one. Lastly, why should you use ChatGPT? Because it can save you time, help you be more productive, and make your work easier. Whether you're a student, content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to get more done, ChatGPT is an incredible tool to have in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and AI content. Got questions about ChatGPT? Drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.